Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to handle text-to-speech model that is Qwen3 TTS using Colab. So this repo was made by NeuralFalcon. So I'll leave the link in the description. You check it out. So I'm going to open this notebook in Google Colabs. So just open Colab. You click on that. It will take you to Google Colab. So there are warning and credits. So I'm giving credit to NeuralFalcon, which he gave credit to Qwen3 TTS repo, Qwen3 TTS on Hugging Face, and license on Apache 2.0. So I've just run the first cell and also the second cell. So this has a percent CD, so which captures the output. So it runs on Gradio. You just click on this link here, gradio.live. After you have run those two cells, just click on run all here. So let's see what's going on, what's good about Qwen3 TTS. So the interface is quite good. So let's text to speech synthesize, language auto, voice description, speak in insidious tone but with a hinted panic. So generate voice, it's processing. You can see there's also voice cloning, TTS custom voice. We'll get to look at those tabs also. So it's taking a while because the other tutorial I did on Kokoro and also LuxTTS, they were quite faster. When you give it text like this, they are so fast. So I think let me check the logs on the Colab notebook. So it's fetching and downloading and all that. Let's check. Still processing. So what I can say about this notebook is that it's not fast, because I expect fast results. Actually, if a text input is just this one here, so I wouldn't recommend it already. So let's play it and see.
It's in the top drawer. Wait, it's empty? No way, that's impossible. I'm sure I put it there.
Okay, generation success. Let's check the voice cloning. So you just need upload reference voice here. I don't know if I have a reference voice somewhere, but check it out. So I'm back again. I've got the reference voice. Let me just copy this text here and copy it here. Let's upload the reference voice. Go to downloads, open that. So uploading one sample. Can check this. Listen to me. You are standing at the. So that's our reference voice. We expect something like that. So let's hit generate, clone and generate. So I don't know, there's a reference text processing. Okay, let's see what's going on. Listen to me. So it has transcribed this voice that I've given it, and so it's really powerful. Maybe the voice cloning is so strong. Let's check it out. Check the voice cloning processing. So I think this model Qwen3 TTS has so much, it's bloated actually, so it's heavy. So that's the real thing. Model size 1.7 billion parameters, then there is a 0.6 billion parameters, and then the mode is high quality plus transcription. So actually here's the thing that we have found: high quality plus transcription, fast audio only. So there is option to fast audio only. We'll test that fast audio only and see what's going on. Yes, I think it's taking so long because of fast audio and I mean high quality audio plus transcription. So let's check this one out, the logs. So it's still processing. I think I'll cut on the video. If it takes too long, I'll cut and let's wait. So finally we've gotten an error. Voice clone prompt or reference audio must be provided. So I don't know what's going on. Check the logs. Don't find anything here, but I think I'll do my own file on this Qwen3 TTS. Regardless, let's check let's check on the voice design and okay, voice clone. I thought there was a fast something here, so let's use the reference, the TTS custom voice. I don't understand. Let's generate. Hello, welcome to TTS speech. This is a demo of our TTS capabilities. Still slow. Tell me what you want to tell me, but still slow, bro. Finally, we have the audio. It has generated, but it has taken so long. I even forgot. So let's test. Let's check.
Hello! Welcome to Text-to-Speech System. This is a demo of our TTS capabilities.
So that's it for the Qwen TTS using the NeuralFalcon notebook. I think the video is already long, so I think that's it. You can check it out yourself and test it. I'll just leave the link in the description, and stay tuned for more tutorials, more videos, and kindly subscribe. I'm currently at 92 subscribers, trying to get to the 100 subs, so help me get to the 100 subs. So see you on the next one, and as always, we'll work on this. Peace out.